All right, guys, here we are. It's Friday, about 83 degrees. It's about 2 in the afternoon. Just gave the car a bath. I'm going to go to a testing tune tonight up at Little River. Had to do a little golf cart maintenance. Last time we was up there, we didn't have no lights. That's kind of dangerous. But talked to the track manager. They're doing TNT tonight. Going to have a little 6-0 shootout, so we want no part of that. Not unless they give us a 2-second head start. Made a jet change on the car. Fixing to get it loaded up. We just got it cleaned off. The passenger princess helped me get it done. Get that knocked out. We got the golf cart with some lights on it now, so we'll get you a video of that tonight while we're at the track. But just want to give you a heads up, testing tune. This is, what is this? April the 17th. So we're going to get it loaded up. Y'all stand by for the next clip. All right, guys, there she is. Old Blue. All in her high 7 glory. That and the golf cart. Got some LEDs on there. So tonight we'll be able to be seen. Y'all stand by for the next clip. All right, guys, here we are. We're at the track. Golf cart, battery's dead. Unreal. So the wife's walking. It's about a quarter-mile walk up the starting line. So she's footing it up there. I got the car checked in and fix to roll up there and try to make a hit. Y'all stand by for the next clip. Okay, guys, here we are. This is Sunday morning. We went test and tune on Friday night. I would call Friday night almost an epic failure. We did get one pass. The driver sucks. Bumped the rev limiter between the 1-2 shift. Short shifted the 2-3 shift. Car ran 795. We did upgrade, or we did do I say upgrade. We replaced the carburetor a couple trips back. Now we've made, I think, 4 complete passes on the car with the 750 double pumper. We removed the E85 carburetor off there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and sell that thing. But the little car did pick up some with the E85 carburetor jetted for gas, but I think we're working through that. First pass, we run 795. Hot lapped it right back to the staging lanes. Had to sit there about an hour. They ran some street trucks on street tires. Then they ran some motorcycles. And then after that, they did a little quick drag of the track to get ready for us slick tired guys again. And we rolled up there about second or third pair against another Mustang and let off Transbrake button, rolled about 4 foot, and the car shut off. Bumped it up into neutral. The car was still rolling. Turned the key off, turned the key back on. All the lights on the dash came back on. Tried to start it, they all went off. So, got to tow back to the pits. You'll see some of that here. And once we got back to the pits, was frustrated. The golf cart didn't run when we got there. Badger was dead. So there's that. So we just winched the car up in the trailer, and that's where it sat until yesterday. Yesterday I came out here. We had a little rain yesterday, so I didn't unload it. But yesterday I came out here and got to looking. Originally, had thought it was the kill switch. The kill switch was loose on the load side. I've since fixed that. Had loose cable up at the front where the main power cable goes to the front of the car. Somebody had the car before me had put a little terminal strip up there that I don't know. Probably works great in industry and industrial environment, but not in a car. So we're going to replace that thing. You'll get to see that on the next video. But we got all that snugged up. Came back here, tightened up the leads on the battery, both sides. The negative side, it was loose. Wasn't getting a good ground. As soon as we did that, turned the switch on, reached up in there, hit the key, she fired right up. So the car is back in running shape, ready to go back to the track. Gonna be a couple weeks before I can go. I've got some family stuff going on, and I'm proud of my track. It's about 45 minutes from my house. Those guys up there work extremely hard to make the track better. It is a old highway. Years ago it was old highway. Now it's I think it's 330 foot of concrete, and I have to go back and verify that. But starting line's all concrete. They got new concrete barriers out there to the 8th mile, both sides. It used to have had the old barriers like on the highway department, the old steel railings, but they have replaced that, did a little upgrade. Everything's, run pretty professional at that little track. I'm grateful for those guys. They're close to my house, like I said. Appreciate you guys for subscribe and liking my videos. Hopefully we'll have you some more videos coming up here pretty quick. We're going to do a few changes on the car. You'll get to see some of that. And once again, y'all have a blessed day.